Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elizabeth and thank you for tuning in to this video. To my returning subscribers, I thank you for your support. To all new members, like I said, my name is Elizabeth Motsepe. I do cleaning, motivation videos and lifestyle videos. In today's video, I'm sharing with you what I do in the afternoon when I come back from work. Basically, it's my afternoon daily routine. So do enjoy and I love you so much. So every day when I come back, first thing that I do is to switch on the stove, put in the kettle, prepare hot water for whatever I'll be cooking or whatever I'll be needing to use with hot water. Then I will decide what I will be cooking. So I decided I'll be cooking macaroni with some salad and butternut and gravy. Because I don't have a fridge, there's no meat, guys. I buy meat and put it somewhere, so I couldn't take it that day, so I'll be eating without meat. But I really enjoy my cookings, so do cook with me, guys. So when I'm done preparing everything and making sure that everything is on the stove, I decide to sweep the floor and make it clean. I like my kitchen clean while I am cooking. So do clean with me, guys. Because I was filming in the afternoon, I do apologize for the lighting. I was using natural light. I do have a ring light, but it's at my mom's place. Right now, I cannot use it because we don't have enough power. So please, I apologize for the dark lighting. I will make a plan another time. Please do stick around and enjoy. Now, because it was getting too dark outside and the lighting inside was affected, I had stopped recording, but the cooking continued. I enjoyed cooking. After cooking, I had a bath, then start tucking in. I enjoyed my food. You will see what I was eating at the end of this video. If you made it until this far, thank you very much for sticking around. Thank you very much for your support. I really love you so much. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.